For practice exercise 7.2, we are once again going to use data set number 1. We'd like to see if the average math skill differs based on the marital status of the individual, where marital status has 3 levels: single, married, and divorced. Now, because there are 3 levels, we're going to have to use an ANOVA model. So we go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, or rather, Compare Means, One-Way ANOVA. Analyze, Compare Means, One-Way ANOVA. The dependent variable is what we would like to know if it's different, so we move the variable skill there. We want to know if it's different based on the factor, so we move marital status there. Under Options, we select Descriptive Statistics so that it will give us means of each subgroup. And under Post Hoc, we select Tukey so that it will do Tukey's HSD and determine which groups are different from each other if there is an overall significant difference. When we run this test, we get several sections of output. The first gives us the means of each of the 3 groups. The second is the overall ANOVA answer. And finally is the Tukey HSD test. Now, in this particular case, our overall F of 0.196 had a significance level well above 0.05, so this is not a significant difference. In other words, all of the groups are not significantly different from each other. So in this case, we don't need to look at the Tukey tests because Tukey tells us what differences are there if there is an overall difference. So if we were going to write an APA-style results section about this, we would say something on the order of a one-way ANOVA was calculated comparing the mathematics skill scores of 3 different marital statuses: single, married, divorced. No significant difference was found, which would be an F of 2 and 20 degrees of freedom is 0.196, which gave us a P of 0.823. Then we would say single participants had the same skill score, mean of 36.17, standard deviation of 9.33, as married, which was a mean of 12.31 and a standard deviation of 12.31, and divorced, which had a mean of 32.5 and a standard deviation of 9.0 participants.